Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. I'm bringing you today my favorite grilled lamb meat jollof rice, and I hope you like it. As I always say, no long talk biao, it be chew. Okay, let's get started. I have here my marinated lamb meat. I marinated it last night and kept it in the fridge. All the spices I use in marinating the meat will be in the description box below. I'm going to grill the meat. I have here 4 cups of rice, and then I have here onion, scotch bonnet pepper, some garlic, and then stock cube, and then I have here canned tomato puree or paste, and then I have here canned chopped tomato. I'll be adding 2 fresh tomatoes to the canned one. I'm not blending anything, I'm chopping it. Okay, so I have my spices here: black pepper, white pepper, curry powder, ginger powder, rosemary, and then I'll be adding just a bit of spaghetti to it. Finally, I have my smoked mackerel. Now I've chopped all the onion, garlic, tomato, and the pepper. Now let's get started. My oil is already hot on medium heat. I'm going to add the onion and garlic to it, and then I'll stir it and then let it fry for about 2 minutes till the onion is translucent. Now I'm going to add my tomato puree, tomato paste to the onion, and then stir it and let it fry for another 2 minutes. Now it's been frying for about 2 minutes and looking good. I'm adding my fresh diced tomato. Giving it a stir. I'm now adding the canned chopped one. I'll stir it together and then let it fry for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add my spices to it, which is the white pepper, black pepper, rosemary, and then ginger powder. Give it a stir and then add my curry powder. I've added the curry powder. I'll stir it and then let it fry for about 2 minutes. Now I'm adding my smoked mackerel to it. This combination is amazing. I'm adding my grilled lamb meat. I'll stir it and then let it mix together. All the flavors come together and marry. I'm now adding my stock cube to it. I'll stir it and then let it fry for about 2 minutes so that everything will infuse. The combination is amazing. Now it's been frying for about 3 minutes. I'm going to add water to it, about 4 cups of water. Now I've added salt to taste to it. I'll stir it and then add my spaghetti to it, because I want my spaghetti to be soft with the rice. I don't want my spaghetti to be hard, so I always add my spaghetti first, but you can do it the other way. I don't want to be fighting with my spaghetti. I want to eat it gently. Okay. Now I'll cover it and then let it cook for about 7 minutes. Now it's been cooking for about 7 minutes. As you can see, the spaghetti is a bit cooked. I'll wash my rice and then add it to it. I'll give it a stir and then cover it and let it cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to check. I'll stir and see. Jollof is coming together. Color is popping. Smells amazing. Now I'm going to add some frozen vegetables to it, which you can use fresh vegetables or you can do without the vegetables if you prefer. So this is the amount I'll be using. Now, if you've been watching me, you know that I don't joke with stirring my rice. This is what I call sterilization. Bargain. Okay, so I share everything equally. I make sure everything is shared equally. Now I'm done. I'll cover it with foil and then let it simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes on low heat. By that time, my rice will be done. It's about 10 minutes now. I'm checking. Okay, jollof rice is popping. Color, check. Even if you hate, you for it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. And subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed so that we keep what popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.